Hello everyone, today we are going to implement this directional dodge roll mechanism. So here I was just doing the rolling without we are in a fight, but here even if we are in a fight I can do the rolling like this. So if I press evade button without using any directional input, the character will just step back. But if I press evade button while using a movement input, the character will do the dodge roll in the direction that I intend to move, like this. So here I am pressing right and press evade button, so that's how the character reacts. Here if I am pressing forward and press evade, so that's how the character reacts. Alright, and if I press evade without any input, movement input, this is how the character reacts. It's just jump back. So yeah, that's what we are going to work on today. And before we get started, I'd like to remind you, you can download the project files of this project and all other thousands of projects that I have done in my channel. Once you become a member in the veteran page, you can download anything without a limit, so feel free to check it out. And also, this is a part of this action RPG with gameplay ability system tutorial series I'm doing. You can watch all these episodes for free in my channel. I'll leave the link to the full tutorial series in the description. Alright, so let's get back to today's tutorial. Okay, so to implement directional evade, here let me first open the evade ability that I have started working on. Now here this part is going to be common, so I would need a way to determine if character is pressing a directional movement button, if the character is trying to move in certain direction. Only if that is the case, we should use directional dodge. So also I already have this animation, sword and shield, evade, roll forward. So here I'll enable road motion, and then I'll create a montage for this. Okay, and then we would need that later on. So now we need to access the character, then we need to get the velocity. So let's try this. Get avatar actor from actor info and get velocity. From this we can get the length, vector length, and if the vector length is, let's say, less than 10, well, we could check if it is equal to 0, but I don't know. If any case, if there is a small velocity, we should ignore it. So if this is true, then we need to evade back, the backward evade animation that we already have. We could use that. If not, that means we have some velocity, that means the character is trying to move in certain direction. So in that case, I need to do the dodge roll in that direction. So here I'll get rotation from X vector, and then here again get avatar actor from actor info, then set actor rotation. So we are manually setting the rotation of the actor, and here I only need to modify yaw. I don't want to change or put any values for X, roll or pitch. Then we can, just like here, well, we can do the same thing. Like this. montage and wait. Okay. So here I'm gonna use this roll forward animation. Okay, now this would work initially, but we would have a problem when the character is locked on to a character. So it is working right now, but the issue happens if I have locked on to a character. Here I am pressing left, but if I press dodge, as you can see, character is still trying to move towards the enemy. What's this error? Okay, it's not relevant to this. I will check that later. So right, to solve, the character keep moving towards when we do the roll. Here in the take we have this focus on enemy. This is the part where we where the character keep locked on to the enemy, but if we are evading, we should disable this. So we can get the ability system component as matching gameplay tag. We can check if the character is evading, because in our evade gameplay ability we are applying this 𝐺𝐸_evade, which will add this character state.evading gameplay tag to our character. So if this is present, we should not lock the character. If not, we can lock the character. So if I just do this check, it should be fine. Let's see. I can still dodge here. Yeah, now I can do the dodge roll. All right. Yeah, so like that. So it's working. And that's all I want to do for today. And I haven't thought about what I should implement next. Maybe we should refine the things that we have already worked on. So yeah, feel free to let me know what you guys want me to work on in upcoming episodes. So thanks for watching. Updated project files will be available here for the download. Link would be in the description below. And see you in the next episode. Goodbye.